my polish. I need to repaint.
Get your tushy back here right now!
Pearly isn't here.
Now you mention it, where is our dear Pearly?
I don't know. Is it like her to miss something like this?
Yeah, she loves dumb meetings. Nothing personal, ma'am. Dude, ma'am.
Hold up, here she comes.
Hello, everyone.
So sorry I'm late, Laverne. I just...
What's wrong with you?
I was an teensy bit unwell, but now I'm feeling much...
Whoa. Sweet.
Pearly, you are sick.
No, not really. I just...
Phew. Definitely a case of the wheezing sneezels. How did you catch it?
Well... Ooh, pretty. Slimy slug swamp germs? Ew. But I'm fine now, truly. So just tell me what you want me to...
I'm sorry, Pearly, but we can't have you sneezing us all over the place while we're trying to spring clean. Up to bed with you this instant.
No, I can work. Truly, I can. Mate, she's dead right. You should be tucked up under the covers until you get better. All right. What's this? Sickies get out of the spring clean?
Naturally.
Oh. Come to think of it, I'm not feeling all that well myself. Oh, I feel faint.
Nice try, but no dice. Now get to work.
But I'm deathly ill and you don't even care.
Oh, mistress, that's terrible.
Back off, back breast. I've got to figure out how to work this angle.
What? But Oh! Another scheme is afoot. Almost accident.
Come on, ladies, straight to Betty Boys. Jasper,
What?
out!
Aww.
Pearly's sick, and while she's resting, we have to get on with it. We don't want that Laverne chasing after us. She means business. I can't just lie doing nothing while everyone else is working so hard. You can and you will.
But I'm not really sick.
Sorry, Opal.
She's alright. Landed in some dandelion fluff. Not really sick, huh?
Jasper, you're the cleverest elf I know.
You got that right.
Can you figure out a way I can go outside and help without sneezing everybody out of the park?
I'll think about it, I promise. Now chill out, Pearly.
Thanks, Jasper.
One for the road.
Tadpole duty is part of the spring clean, Sapphira. Show the love.
Coochie coo. You know, I still have this dreadful tickle in the back of my throat. I think I should be in bed with a nice warm cup of...
There's nothing wrong with you, Sapphira. Duck duty next. On the double.
What on earth are you doing?
The ducks want another bedroom, but I am no good at home renovation.
Oh, honestly. Ludwig, I simply cannot bear all this hard work. Drat that Pearly. If she can convince Laverne she's sick, so can I. What do you think, Ludwig? What color spots would be best with my complexion?
Perhaps a putrid orange? A blistering rash would bring out the color of your eyes.
Yes! I'm sure we can make this work. I'm so bored!
Hey, dude.
Oh, Jasper, I can't stay in bed all day. I'll go absolutely nutty.
It just so happens I've got a solution to your problem.
Wow!
It was a small person's toy, but with a little magic and a lot of Jasper genius, it's now A sneeze-proof bubble. Try walking.
Oh, you are clever.
Awesome, huh? You can breathe through it and your wand will work through it. You can sneeze away in there and no one will get blown away.
Oh, Jasper, it's perfect. Whoa! Whoa!
It might need a little more work.
No, I'm fine. I can do this. Thank you so much.
Oh, hey!
Oops. Sorry. So, will you let me join the spring clean? Please?
Well, if you think you can make it work, why the heck not? You got your wand handy?
Sure have. Yippee! Whoa! Bye for now. La la la, do do, la la, do do, do do, ba ba da ba da ba. Yoo-hoo, Uncle. Really? Look at me. Oh, but why aren't you in bed?
No worries. I'm good.
La la la. See you later. Nice job, everyone. Oh, my wand's running out of fizzle. I better let it recharge. Uh-oh. Nose tickle. Up, up, up. Shoo! Oh, oh, oh dear. Oh dear. Help! Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah! Jasper, you didn't tell me how to get out of this thing. I'm just gonna have to go with the flow.
Hey, dude, have you seen Pearlie? She was gonna meet us for lunch.
Ribbit. She was here, she sneezed, she was gone.
Sneezed? Jasper, what would a sneeze do in that contraption?
I'm not exactly sure, dude. She could have sneezed herself somewhere.
We better go find her.
A little to the left, please.
Thank you. I just wish I knew which way I should be going. Whoa! Thanks for all your help. I wonder if I've got enough sap to send a signal for help. I hope that works. I wonder where she could be.
Wait, what's that?
An SOS? I bet that's from Pearlie.
From the sewer? We better check it out, dude.
Buds and twigs, what now? Buds and blossoms. Waterfall! Oh, I made it. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Pearlie! Help! Oh, help! Uncle! Jasper! Help! Pearlie!
Pearlie! Watch out!
That was a close one. Thanks, guys.
No worries.
I forgot the escape hatch. Sorry, Pearlie.
No, this is all my fault, Jasper. I should have just stayed in bed.
Hold it right there. I've caught you dodging work. AWOL. Fairy HQ will hear about this shameful behavior.
Oh, Laverne, that's not what happened. I sneezed myself down here, and they came to rescue me. You were absolutely right. I should be home in bed.
Well, of course I was right.
Laverne, dear.
Here we go again.
Look, hives, green ones. I've also got fever, chills, sniffles and snurfles, coughs, sneezes, and hiccups.
Also, warts, piles, scaly knees, fuzzy elbows,